Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 67 Mustang. It's now an AM FM 8-track with HD radio, Bluetooth, and the USB feature and an aux input. And so this comes from Gig right here in Kingman, Arizona. He's just probably a couple hours away from me, if that. And so we're here to make sure everything works before we send it back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate the balance and fader during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright issues. So here we go.
A big part of this, up to $500 a month with MetaShare. You too can do something different. You can start saving now. Here's the number. Call 855-51-BIBLE. That's 855-51-BIBLE. 855-51-BIBLE.
Okay, and since Gig requested a new harness in place of the original connectors, this is now a 4-speaker radio. So we also have a built-in front-rear fader that's in the tone control. I'm going to show you how we activate and adjust that.
For fun, I've made to order. We're your quality, trusted Quad City cleaning service. We reflect fader adjust.
Okay.
Federal.
All the way front.
Today at
Rear.
948-899-518.
Rear.
Or visit us at
Okay,
pressmade-to-order.com. Call made to order. Fader
set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes. Make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. We don't need this stuff anymore. Let's make sure the USB plays music stored on a stick.
To the real estate section. Don't start your Friday morning with.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
AM on KQNA.
Since I wrote that, I'm the copyright holder, so I'm not worried about that. Okay, let's move over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Now we're on FM. Just take it down the dial real quick. Make sure we pick up a few stations.
COVID vaccines.
COVID vaccines are in a...
23 on his first day.
I don't want to. I'm
back in the...
Certified. It's more than just our name.
Airlines, which declared bankruptcy.
Found you a girl like my mother, close to me, like my sister.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. And this 8-track has a new head and my special preamp, so you're probably going to want to turn the radio down before you pop a tape in.
The tear I cry, you don't know, never found.
Okay, with the end of the song there. Okay, no cross talk between tracks.
Moon is bright, Alice in Wonder. You don't know her like what a night for love.
Okay, pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on and off, which you probably can't see it, but I can. Yep, nice soft green glow. Yep, you still can't see it. Yep, there we go. You can see it peeking out above the number 14 and 16. So everything is working. She's ready to go back to the customer. And I'm ready for breakfast. Yes, sir. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And please download and print the work order off that website. All you got to do is just read the entire home page. It'll walk you through the entire process of selecting your options. And at the bottom of the homepage is how to pack a unit, which is a requirement. It's not an option. You got to pack it my way. And so this way, when you call me, and it's understandable if you want to call me just to get to know me and trust me, that's perfectly okay. But as far as what all do you do and how much is it, that's not something my brain is equipped to do in the middle of a work day when I got my hands in a customer's unit. So please do have a work order in your hand before calling me with a bunch of questions. Once you have that work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Gig, for your business from right here in Arizona, and we'll see you guys next time.